Now let's look at the tuning window. Set the serial port by selecting the COM port number and the communication baud rate. Once you're connected, click on the Start Monitoring icon. As you can see, capacitance counts are shown in red, threshold values are in green, and reference values are in blue. The capacitance changes as you move your finger closer and farther from the key. When the capacitance exceeds the threshold, it is judged as key on, and when the capacitance is below the threshold, it is judged as key off. The threshold values automatically fluctuate, allowing you to check for drift that occurs as the environment changes and as components wear down. You can right-click and then change monitoring to a different channel or update the display. Now let's look at how to adjust the parameters. Just click on the Parameters tab to open the Parameters window. We can start by changing the threshold value. Just watch the waveform and adjust the value accordingly. Next, let's use drift correction to adjust the speed at which the threshold value is automatically updated. You can also read and write the sensitivity parameters. You can read parameters in two ways, directly from the connected board or from a parameter file saved on your PC. You can write in three ways, directly to the target system, or into a parameter file, or into your source project. By default, Auto Update is on. When Auto Update is on, your parameter changes are automatically applied to the target system. Next, we can select the slider direction to either vertical or horizontal. In this case, based on the target system we are using here as an example, the display shows resolutions for 5 electrodes. The program calculates the coordinates based on your finger position and displays the value. Of course, we can display the same types of values for a wheel control. The Difference window shows the difference in capacitance between touch and untouched states. You can also check the crosstalk with adjacent electrodes. The Radar window shows clearly which keys are in the on state. You can save the capacity count waveform changes into a log file. Use the Document Manager to manage user manuals, application notes, and other relevant documentation. For example, you can search through all documents for each occurrence of a particular word.